Hi, this is Cindy from Part-Time Permies, and today we are participating in a collaboration talking about 3 new things we'll be planting and trying out this year. So this collaboration was started by Rose over at Wholesome Roots, so please go check out her playlist. I'll link it in the description below. This year I have a whole bunch of seeds, probably more than I need. We went a little crazy buying from MI Gardener for the first time. But a few of the things that we're going to try out this year, which we've never actually planted. Peanuts. Now these won't go on the ground until after the last frost, so probably in late May. But that is going to be one of the seeds that we're trying for the first time. I've never grown peanuts before, so we'll see how that works. And this is a cold hardy species, so it should be good for Michigan. Another thing we'll be trying out for the first time this year will be ground cherries. Now they're in the tomato and tomatillo family, so these I'm going to treat like tomatoes and peppers and all that, and we're going to go ahead and start them indoors. So that is on my immediate to-do list here soon. And for a third thing we're going to try out for the first year is some wild plants in the area. These are pawpaw seeds that I've saved in the refrigerator in a bag of peat moss. These need to be cold all winter for at least 3 months. So we could either, in Michigan, we could either plant them in the ground in the fall and hope they come up on their own in the spring, or save them in the refrigerator and then plant them in the spring. Now, these are on my to-do list fairly immediately, but I need to purchase some seed starting containers that have a long taproot area, so basically for trees, to be able to do that. So I don't have that yet, so that will be on the to-do list. It's on my shopping list right now, so we'll be doing that as soon as we get the right materials. For now, these will go back in the refrigerator to stay cold. I might go ahead and direct seed some outside just to see how they do, but a lot of them I'm going to start inside in pots and then maybe shift them outside. Might not even be until fall, so we'll see how they grow. Okay, and I have one bonus. It's not a plant, so I can't say I'm trying this as a new planting, but another experiment we'll be doing is starting mushrooms. This is spawn for pearl oyster mushrooms, and this is a big bag. It's mainly used to start logs outside, but we're going to use some to start on egg crates, the cardboard egg crates inside, probably in the next week or 2. So be on the lookout for that video as well. First things first, though, I got to get some seeds started because we're already behind on that. But that will be on the to-do list as well for a new experiment for the year. I do hope you enjoyed the show. And please check out Rose's playlist on what everyone's new planting projects are this year. And also please like and subscribe, comment below. Please list what you're planting for the first time this year. And we could get some ideas off of each other. So go ahead and feel free to leave that in the comment below. And we'll see you with our next video. Another thing that we're going to try out this year for the first time, Helix. Not a cat. Go on. Ground cherries. Now they're kind of in the tomato and tomatillo. You stealing the show?